Today you'll take your vocabulary quiz number 2 for language arts, or week 2. Be sure to put your name at the top of the page and put your class number in the upper right-hand corner. Here's your word list for the test. Parallel, encroach, conduit, allude, ravenous, fertile, smitten, aqueduct, fleet, and punctual. Number 1. This is a noun. It's a channel or a pipe or a tube that's used to convey or to move liquids. Number 2. This is a verb. It means to intrude gradually upon the rights of others or to trespass. Number 3 is an adjective. It means to be on time or prompt. Number 4 is an adjective used to describe person, animal, some living thing that's able to reproduce children, or a plant that reproduces seeds or fruits, or just anything highly productive. Number 5. This word's a noun. It's a large pipe or conduit for carrying water from a distant location. Number 6. This word's an adjective. It means running alongside or two lines that are equally distant. Think about a math term. Number 7 is an adjective. It means very much in love. Number 8 is a verb. It means to refer to something casually or indirectly. Number 9 is an adjective. You describe being extremely hungry. Number 10, this word's a noun. It means a group of cars or boats or other type of vessels. For number 6 to 10, pick 5 vocabulary words above and write sentences that show you know the meaning of the word, using the word in context. Underline the vocabulary word and be sure your sentences have capitals at the beginning and punctuation at the end. Please pick words that you are sure you know the correct definitions for. And do not define the word in your sentence. Use the word as a person would in speaking, but in a way that it's clear what that word means.